Alright guys, so I'm out here. Didn't have the best of sleeps last night. Been working a lot this week. Don't have that much energy, but fuck it. We're doing it. Hey, nice shoes. Warming up. You know, it's good to let go of people's reactions, to stop caring so much. Be good to just give some compliments. Hey, nice shoes. Hey, nice camera. Hey, excuse me. I just thought you were very cute. Just want to say hi. Are you from Sydney or?
I just live here.
You've lived here for a while.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, I'm just here for like the week. Traveling. Yeah, pretty much. From like the Gold Coast. You ever been?
Sorry, what?
Have you ever been to like the Gold Coast?
Yeah, I went last year.
Okay, did you like it or?
Yeah, it's short, but I like it.
And what do you do in Sydney?
Just study.
It's nice. Let me guess, you study finance or something?
No.
Alright, so that was like the first approach. It went alright, it was pretty chill. Talked a bit. About like 4 or 5 minutes in, I kind of just like left the interaction. You know, not every girl you're going to be into, not every girl is going to be into you. You know, sometimes I just like approach here and there just to kind of warm up. Hey, excuse me. I saw you were really cute.
Thank you.
Just wanted to meet you. Where are you from?
I have a boyfriend, sorry.
No, it's all good. Alright, have a good day. Guys, hardcore rejection. Before, you know, she said she had a boyfriend. I'm crying internally, but we will march on. Oh no, she's on the phone. Should I do it? I don't know. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. I just thought you were very cute.
What?
I just thought you were very cute.
Oh,
So I'm saying, I know you're like FaceTiming.
Yeah, I am.
You got like Instagram?
Yeah, sure.
Maybe we could chat a bit.
Sure.
You drink coffee or something. Yeah, there we go. Alright, cool. I'll send you a message sometime.
Perfect.
Have a good one. See ya. See? Does not matter, guys. Alright, guys. There's 2 girls up there. 2 of them. Should I do it? Hey, excuse me. I just thought you were really cute. Just wanted to say hi.
Hi.
What's that tattoo on the back of your arm?
That's a cat, Siamese cat.
I thought it was like Egyptian or something.
It is derived from an Egyptian cat, but it was meant to be a Siamese one.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Are you Egyptian or something?
No. We're
It's
French
nice.
and Dutch, so, yeah.
Oh, okay. Makes sense, you got the accent.
Yeah, a little bit.
I've always wanted to go to like Egypt and the pyramids.
That's really cool. It's on the bucket list. For
That'd
sure.
be pretty epic. Are you guys from Sydney or
No, we're just visiting.
for the week?
We're leaving tomorrow.
Oh shit, me too.
Really? Where are you going?
So that one, they were like leaving tomorrow night. Couldn't really do much. I don't know. Sometimes you can just tell they're not really vibing, so I just like fucking get out of there, like, you know. Sometimes they can actually be into you and you're just like fucking finding a way out, but like I could sense like there was no kind of vibe, so I just left. Hey, excuse me. I just thought you were really cute. Just want to say hi. Where are you from?
England.
Shit, I would have thought maybe like Russia or somewhere.
Everyone says I'm a Russian.
Yeah, like somewhere like Eastern European.
Everyone says I'm a Russian.
Oh, that's cool. You're just an English gal. I used to DJ back when I was about 20.
Really?
Yeah. It was a pretty shitty life.
Like a DJ?
Yeah, that's fair enough. Like with the sunnies and shit. One person before like thought I looked emo. I'm like,
No, you don't look evil.
thank you, thank you. It's subtle.
You don't look evil.
Like I've got the all black, but I'm not Nemo.
Yeah.
Like, you know, it's good. All right, guys. So that's the end of today. Now I'm going to go back, and I'm about to do a coaching session with the clients. But yeah, as you can see, instant date towards the end there. Girl's pretty cute. And yeah, I had to end the instant date to do the coaching session. But yeah, maybe meet up another time. Who knows? I have to leave tomorrow night. We'll see. But that's like a sort of session. To be honest, it was a pretty good session. You know, not every time you go out is going to be like that. Some days you'll get more rejection. Some days I'll get more rejection.